Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming account access and app permissions so the process won't stall. Open your Photos app, select the first images, and make sure Mail is signed in and allowed to attach files. Once done, check storage and network. Mail servers block oversized attachments, so you may need to pick fewer photos or compress them. Make sure to prefer Wi-Fi for bulk sends to avoid carrier limits, and note which photos need full resolution versus smaller previews. Next, you choose which photos to include and decide on a compression strategy. Select images in order, then use a built-in compress or third-party app to create a zip if total size exceeds limits. This keeps file names intact. Once compressed or left as originals, tap Share, choose Mail, and watch for attachment thumbnails in the Compose screen. If you prefer inline photos, insert them directly. Otherwise, attach the zip. Make sure the recipient address and subject are correct before proceeding. Finally, you send and verify delivery to avoid surprises. Send a test message to yourself to confirm attachments open and image quality matches expectations. If sending fails, split photos into smaller batches or upload to cloud storage and paste a secure link into the email. This bypasses attachment limits. Make sure to check server attachment size limits and common block lists. If errors persist, restart Mail, reconnect network, and reattempt. One key troubleshooting tip: try a different network to isolate ISP or carrier restrictions.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.